Have you ever wondered why so many men over 40 quietly struggle with energy, sleep, and vitality, but rarely talk about it? It's almost like there's a silent agreement to keep it hidden. The truth is, these struggles are incredibly common. By the time most men hit their 60s, the problems multiply. Weak sleep, low energy, declining potency, a loss of confidence. It becomes a quiet, frustrating cycle that feels impossible to break. But here's something most men don't know. This doesn't have to be your story. Modern science has uncovered natural ways to restore energy, improve sleep, and support testosterone without relying on risky pills or empty promises. And today, I'll share 3 nutrients that, when used correctly, can dramatically change how you feel, sleep, and perform. So stay with me until the very end because not only will I reveal these nutrients, I'll also explain how to use them to work with your body's natural rhythm, not against it. Let's begin with the hidden cycle most men don't even realize they're trapped in. As testosterone begins to decline after 40, sleep gets worse. Poor sleep then increases stress hormones like cortisol. Elevated cortisol lowers testosterone even further. And the result? Sexual health, strength, and confidence start to fade. This cycle repeats itself year after year. You wake up tired. You push through the day with less drive. You sleep poorly again. And slowly, you feel like you're aging faster than you should. But here's the good news. This cycle can be interrupted. You can flip the script. And the key is restoring balance through nutrients that directly support hormones, blood flow, and sleep. Nutrient 1, melatonin, your body's nighttime switch. Most people think melatonin is just a sleep aid, but melatonin is actually a hormone, a powerful signal your body makes naturally in response to darkness. And in men over 60, melatonin does 3 critical things. It improves sleep quality, and sleep is when your testosterone recovers. Without deep, restorative sleep, your hormones never get the chance to recharge. It supports nitric oxide. This is the molecule that tells blood vessels to relax and allow strong, healthy blood flow. Yes, right where you need it most. It protects the prostate. Some research suggests melatonin has anti-inflammatory effects, keeping one of the most important glands in men's health in better shape. But here's the challenge. Melatonin production declines with age. By your 60s, levels may be cut in half. And without enough melatonin, you can't fall asleep as easily. You don't stay asleep, and you don't repair properly at night. The solution isn't blasting your body with a giant dose of melatonin. In fact, too much can backfire. What works best is a small, gentle dose, almost like a reminder for your body, a signal that says it's time to rest, repair, and restore. Nutrient 2, magnesium, the forgotten mineral. Now let's talk about a mineral that nearly half of older adults are missing, magnesium. If you've ever had restless nights, muscle tension, or that constant feeling of being wound up but tired, magnesium deficiency could be the hidden reason. Magnesium does 3 things men over 40 desperately need. It relaxes the nerves and muscles. This sets the stage for deeper, more restorative sleep. It lowers stress hormones. Magnesium calms the body, helping keep cortisol under control. It boosts nitric oxide. Once again, this is the key to circulation and potency. Without proper blood flow, energy and confidence both take a hit. Think of magnesium like the oil in your engine. Without it, the gears grind and lock up. With it, everything runs smoothly. And the scary part? Processed foods strip away magnesium, while stress burns through it even faster. Adding magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, almonds, or leafy greens, or a high-quality supplement, can reset your sleep and circulation in just weeks. Nutrient 3. Vitamin D, the testosterone booster. And now, the third nutrient, the one most men overlook, vitamin D. Vitamin D isn't just a bone health vitamin. It acts more like a hormone in the body, and it's absolutely critical for men over 40. Here's why. Vitamin D boosts testosterone. Studies show that men with healthy vitamin D levels have significantly higher testosterone than those who are deficient. Low vitamin D is linked to depression and low motivation, two things that crush energy and drive. It strengthens blood vessels. Healthy blood flow is essential not just for the bedroom, but for the heart. The problem? As we age, we spend less time in the sun, and our skin produces less vitamin D even when we do. By 50 or 60, many men are running on empty without even realizing it. The solution is simple. Get your levels tested and supplement if you're low. Just this one step can fuel testosterone, lift your mood, and restore vitality. Let's connect the dots. Melatonin tells your body when to rest and repair. Magnesium relaxes the system, reduces stress, and restores circulation. Vitamin D fuels testosterone, mood, and vascular health. Together, these three nutrients work like a team. Melatonin ensures you sleep deeply. Magnesium keeps the gears moving smoothly. And vitamin D powers up your hormones and energy. This simple nightly foundation can help break the cycle of poor sleep, low testosterone, and declining vitality. Gentlemen, listen carefully. You are not broken. Aging doesn't mean decline has to be permanent. What most men are missing isn't a magic pill. It's the right tools to help the body do what it's designed to do. So ask yourself, what would your life look like if you woke up rested, energized, and confident again? How different would your days feel if you slept soundly, fueled your testosterone naturally, and restored your vitality? It's possible, and it starts with small, consistent changes. Add these nutrients into your routine. Respect your body's natural rhythm, and watch as the cycle reverses. If this message gave you clarity, give it a like, share it with a friend who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Remember, your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting to be unlocked.